Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea. This is one of my little show and tell type videos where I just show you the card and I tell you how I made it rather than go through it step by step. This is an absolutely beautiful card. I love it. It was made using a pre-made base and an envelope, which is the envelope 6x6. Yeah, the envelope 6x6. The card's just short of 6x6, and it's just a white, lovely white card. I used some paper that was gifted to me by Anne Melvin some time ago, I believe, and butterflies. These papers from the same stack, and the butterfly was gifted to me by Anne-Marie McLean. These butterflies are so beautiful. They're from, they're just as craft stickers. It doesn't say what the company's called, but they're just gorgeous. They've got like the metallic sticker at the bottom, and then they've got like a plastic kind of printed layer at the top. I used some silver foil to back off this flap, and also for the sentiment I didn't use any dimensionals or anything. I heat embossed Glad We're Friends onto it, on just a piece of white, and then I just layered up silver and this DSP, and I just cut this DSP to sort of look like it had folded over, and I just backed it, like I said, with the silver and stuck it to the card, and I think it looks pretty nice and elegant. And the only thing I regret is that I smudged a little bit here on the sentiment, which reminds me I was going to add a curl or something to that so that it didn't look so bad. It just looks pretty as well. So then with the envelope, I just took a piece of card, I just measured it to inside here and to the crease. I just scored it. I just scored it, and I just cut up this piece here to get a lined envelope look. I really enjoyed making that card. I think I'll send that one out. So that's how that was made. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.